Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hardware and drivers are present. Check Device Manager for a Bluetooth adapter and update drivers if missing. Next, open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices, and turn Bluetooth on so your PC can discover peripherals. Put the device you want to pair into its pairing mode now. On many headsets, press and hold the power button until LED flashes. Once done, make sure the device is close to the PC and has sufficient battery. You click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth, then watch the list populate. Devices appear by name, so pick the correct one. When a PIN prompt appears, verify codes match on both sides or accept the default to complete pairing. After pairing, open device properties to verify services like audio sync or HID are enabled, and adjust device priority or disconnect/reconnect to test. If you need higher audio quality, change the output format in sound settings or update the Bluetooth driver. You finish by testing the device. Play audio, type on a paired keyboard, or send a file to ensure full functionality. If something fails, unpair and repair the device first, then restart the Bluetooth support service or reboot the PC. If problems persist, reinstall or roll back the Bluetooth driver. One key troubleshooting tip: check for interference and power saving settings, move within a few meters, disable USB power saving, and make sure neither device is asleep, because proximity and power states often cause connection dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.